Raw material warehouse. Intake chain conveyor. Overload control mechanism. Dump hoppers. Modified design to control feeding and minimize dust emission. Aspiration system for dust-free operation. Elevators with zero-speed sensor to monitor belt slippage. Modified cage design pulley to reduce belt slippage. Batching section. Jute remover. Magnet system. Self-cleaning design to ensure maximum cleaning in minimum time. Rotary distributor. Batching bins. Weigh hopper. Pre-weigh system for manual dumping to monitor micro-ingredients and PLC. Grinding section. Premixer above hammer mill, for better efficiency in grinding of fibrous material. Hammer mill. Patented design. Mixing section. Double shaft paddle mixer, CV less than 3. Premix dosing, for salt DCP LSP and other micro-ingredients direct to mixer. Pelleting section. Molasses blender with PLC controlled dosing. Double shaft conditioner, for better steam conditioning. Hygienizer, for better steam absorption. Pellet mill. Circular cooler for better efficiency. Bagging section. Vibra screener, self-cleaning for better efficiency. Electric control panel. Mimic panel, for automation. Double way auto bagging, belt feeder for accuracy in fibrous material. Metal detector, to find iron particle in finished feed bags. Final product area.